Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today I am doing a ready for summer bright floral inspired nail art tutorial using these fabulous brand new colors from MadamGlam, and yes, they are perfect for summer. And these four colors are part of their thank you collection which they released last month, and they have some stunning colors. I think I need to get my hands on them, so I'm starting off with this orange, and this one is called Suns Out, and we're going to apply two nice coats, curing in between each coat for 30 seconds. This orange is sort of a jelly consistency mixed in with some clear gel polish, and you'll get that perfect jelly toned orange. So now I'm going in on clear nails, and yes, I know I have some imperfections on my natural nail plates because I don't like soaking my nails off. So I tell my clients, do as I say and not as I do, because I tend to sometimes pull my nails off when I just don't have the time to sit and soak it. So we are going to take this gorgeous baby pink, and this one is called Pink Me Up, and I love that name. And we're going to be creating some 5-petal flowers. Now to do so, I am using my detailer number 2 nail art brush by Ugly Duckling. And after I'm finished with each flower, I do go ahead and flash cure it for 5 seconds. So now I'm going in with neon yellow, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, creating another 5-petal flower. Now my inspiration for this design was to keep it sort of cartoon like and old school. So remember how we used to draw as little girls growing up? We used to draw those little flowers, just doodle them on. Well, that's what I wanted my nails to look like. So I did love the way how they looked on the clear background. That's why I didn't go ahead and paint it. Now if this background was white, these colors would have been bomb. It would have been more opaque, but I really wanted a glassy nail. So now taking this bright pink, and this is gorgeous, and I can't wait to do this on another set. And I'm going to be creating the inner details of the flower, and then I'm going to repeat the same thing with that orange inside of the yellow. And if I miss the names of the colors, check out my description box below. I would list them all down there. So this is what my color palette looks like. I did go ahead and add this neon green, also by MadamGlam, and I added my deep emerald. So the green is going to be for our leaves, and the deep emerald is going to be the outline for those as well. So I'm just going in and adding as much leaves as possible, and just to give this design some extra detailing. After doing this, I did go ahead and flash curl this nail again for another 10 seconds before going in with the outlines. Now drawing with gel polish can be a little bit tedious because you need to make sure that you keep flash curing it so that the gel does not run into each other. However, whenever I'm drawing with any of my MadamGlam gel polishes, I don't really have this issue unless they are really close together, but I always end up flash curing before they start to run. So now I'm going in with that dark green, and I'm going to be creating the details in my leaves. And this does not need to be perfect. We are doodling, and to doodle is just a rough sketch. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline all the leaves, and then for the flowers I did take that bright pink and I mixed it with some of the emerald green, and it gave me a sort of a brown color. So I did use that to outline my flowers instead of black. So now using that black gel polish, I'm going to be creating 4 dots in the center of my flower, and I did go in around and just added dots randomly throughout this nail, but I did it after. And I did go ahead and kill this entire nail for a full 30 seconds, and now I'm going in with my no wipe gel top coat, making sure to go over and underneath that nail. It just helps to make that nail even clearer. So I am going to go ahead and repeat the exact same steps on this nail. The only difference is I'm going to be reversing the colors of my flowers. I wanted this nail to be different, so what I did is I took that same orange gel polish and I applied it at a diagonal on this nail, and I am using my detailer brush to do this, and I'm going to fill it in and I'm going to cure each coat for 30 seconds. I repeated this twice, and the reason why I'm using my detailer brush is because I find it a little less messy than actually going in with the application brush. So I did decide that I only wanted pink flowers on this nail, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to repeat the exact same thing that I did with my flowers previously, and that was it for this design, guys. There was nothing left other than for me to apply my no wipe gel top coat and some cuticle oil, and I will have a clip of the final result at the end of the video to share with you guys. And I hope this video was really easy to follow along with. I did try my best to explain everything, and if you enjoy this video, go ahead and blow this comment section up with some flower emojis, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and while you're there, turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat the next time your girl uploads a new video. Now I want to tell you guys that I love seeing your recreations on Instagram, so definitely feel free to add me in any one of my designs. It's at BeGlamorousnails on Instagram. It's the same thing, and I do share your recreations on my Insta stories because I love seeing your designs and how you interpret it and how you execute it. It's just awesome. So that is it for me. I'm going to leave you guys right here. Well, I guess that's it for the video. So that is it. I am out. As always, I would love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.